Hello, my dear students. Good morning. Hope you are doing great and enjoying your quarantine days. Students, in my last class, I taught you noun, number, and today I am going to start a new topic, but before beginning my teaching, I wanna give you few questions, okay? That is based on your previous lecture, and the previous topic was noun, number. Based on that only, you have to do this homework, okay? So I think I have written here, but it is not visible too much to you. I can see in the video. So I am going to write here once again with another colorful chalk so that it will be more visible to you. Okay? So you have to write it down in your copy. Write down this question and after that you will finish this work. Okay? And when I will complete this work, then I will start teaching you another topic. Let's see. So here is what? Noun, number. Noun, number. Okay. Now here is what I have written. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks. Okay, the first I have written here singular number, and another side I have written plural number. Okay, you have to complete this fill in the word. Okay, in a number I have written dash, and in right hand side, that is in plural number, I have mentioned boxes. Now question is very much clear to you. You have been given plural form of boxes. Now you have to write singular form of boxes. So whatever is your answer, you have to write here. Okay. Now come to the next one, that is B. Question number B. I have written here in singular number leaf. You have to write the plural form of leaf. Okay. Now the next one, in the C question, I have written here woman, and you have to write is plural form. Now in the next question, I have given one dash, and in plural form I have written, in plural number I have written teeth. It means you have to write singular number of teeth. Now come to the next one. In the E number question I have written ox. You have to write plural number of this ox. Now I have written in next question monkey, which is a singular number. You have to write here the plural form of monkey. Now next one, in plural number I have written deer. You have to write singular number in the left hand side. Now again in right hand side, that is plural number. In plural number section I have written wives. W-I-V-E-S. You have to write singular number here. Okay. Got it? The last question I have written here, which is I. So dash I have given in singular number, and here in plural number I have written feet. Now the question is very much clear to you, my dear student. I have written plural form feet. You have to write the singular number of the that plural number noun. You have to write somewhere singular number, somewhere you have to write plural number according to the question. Okay? You can take a screenshot also. I think you have taken a screenshot. If you have not taken, you will do just what? You will just click on the pause button. You will do pause, and after that you can write down the question and answer, or the fill in the blanks. And whatever I taught you, written work, whatever I wrote on this board in the previous class, that all you have to do in your copy. Okay? And today onwards, whatever will be important, I will just let you know. Okay? Thank you. So let me start another topic. Before beginning my another topic, I wanna ask a few questions, my dear students. Students, do you have your friend? I think you have so many friends. Could you tell me any one friend name or two friends? Yes, of course you can say as I have. Like I have, my friend name is Rashmi. Okay. And another friend name is what? Ankita. Ankita. And another name is what? Muskan. Muskan. Okay. Or another name also, I have another friend. I have so many friends. Okay. Like Mahima. Mahima. And Astha. Okay. So I think these are my best friends. Okay. Now tell me, what is the gender of this girl? Rashmi. By name itself, you know she is a girl. Okay. So she is a girl. Very good. Now Ankita is also girl. And these all are name of girls. Okay. Now tell me any your brother name. Okay. You have your cousin. You have your own brother. Just tell me their names. Okay. So suppose that I am talking about my brother. My brother name is what? Pankaj, Sanjay, Ajay, Vijay, okay, including my cousins. So, what do you get here? These are name of boys. Name of boys. And here it is name of what? Girls. Okay. So, we can say it is what? Name of girls, and it is what? Name of boys. You got it? Now, no need to write it. This is only for your understanding part. Okay? Right now, you will not write these things. Only when I will tell you to write this point, those points only you have to write in your copy. This is not required. Okay? This was only to make your concept more clear. Okay? Now see some pair of words. Here you saw what? Boy. And here girl. Similarly, we have another pair. What is another pair? Hero, and here is what? Heroine. Okay? Hero, heroine, and lion, lioness. So many examples are given here. Like you can take lion, hero, heroine also we can take. Okay. Otherwise, the best example we can take what I wrote here, hero. Okay, let it be hero and what? Heroine. Hero, heroine and lion and lioness. Lion. Here is another pair. Lion and lioness. What you observe here? Now compare the words what I have written in every pair. Just observe here. Just compare. Boy, girl, hero, heroine, lion, lioness. What do you get here? You will observe here the first word in every pair. Like this one is the first pair, here is the second pair and it is the third pair. Okay? You will get in every pair of words, you will get the first word is what? Name of masculine gender. Similarly, hero, it is also what? The masculine gender. And it is also, lion is what? Also masculine gender. That means all indicates the male gender and here indicates the female gender or the female thing. Okay? So today we are going to start a new topic and the topic name is noun gender. Okay? So this was all about the introduction part. If you want to write, you can write this pair of words because it will be very much helpful to you in your exam point of view. Let's start our new topic. And what is today's new topic? Noun gender. So let me write noun gender. My dear student, a noun word that tells about its own sex, male or female, or whether the word is a non-living thing, is known as gender. Okay, let me write the definition. So, if I ask you what is the definition of gender, then definitely we can define here. Okay, how we can define? Just write it down. Gender. Okay, what is the definition of gender here? A noun word. A noun word that tells about its own gender. A noun word that tells about its own gender, that is whether it is male or female, or indicates non-living thing. Non-living things is known as or called as, anything you can write, is known as what? Gender. So what is the definition of gender? A noun word that tells about its own gender, male or female, or indicates non-living things is known as gender. Okay? Now, gender is of 4 types. Okay? You have to write it down in your fair copy. Just do it. Now, kinds of gender. Kinds of gender. Kinds of gender. So, what are those important types of gender or kinds of gender? So, there are mainly four types of gender. That is, these are, first one is, here we can write masculine gender. Masculine gender. Okay. Here is what? Feminine gender. Feminine gender. And the another one is here common gender. COMMON, common gender. Okay. Now here is what? This is neuter gender. NEUTERGENDER. My dear students, you can see here gender has been categorized, has been divided, or you can say there are mainly four types of gender. These are, the first one is the masculine, the second one is what? Feminine gender, and the next one is common gender, and the fourth, which is the last type of gender, is what? Neuter gender. So we will talk about each and every type of gender one by one. Please write it down, make this diagram in your copy. Okay? Can you do it? Now, define this each type of gender. So, let me rub this board so that I can get proper space to write the definition of each type. The first gender name is what? Masculine gender. Masculine gender. So what is a masculine gender? Masculine gender means a noun that indicates a male gender. A noun that indicates male animals is known as, or is said to be in masculine gender. We can write here, okay? So masculine gender is what? A noun that indicates animal that indicates a male gender. Sorry, gender is not, it is animal. Okay? A noun that indicates a male animal is said to be of masculine gender. Okay? So a noun that indicates a male animal is said to be of masculine gender. For example, we have so many nouns, like we have lion, we have also what? Boy, we have also man. Okay? We have so many examples like hero. Hero also denotes the male animal, that is why it is example of masculine gender. Okay, my dear students. Now, next one is what? Kindly write it down in your copy. Okay, and today you will send me your previous class homework also, and today's homework you will do in next day. So whenever you will complete, just complete it today, and in next lecture, before giving you lecture, I wanna see your homework. So you all have to complete your grammar portion work and you have to send in the group. Okay? Next type is, what is the next type? The next type is feminine gender. Okay? What is feminine gender. Feminine or feminine gender. What is the feminine gender or the feminine gender? A noun that indicates a female animal. Okay, a female animal is said to be of feminine gender. Feminine, okay, gender. For example, we have, it means a noun that indicates a female animal is known as what? Feminine gender. For example, we have girl. Okay, girl, we have women. Okay, we have lioness. Okay, so these three nouns indicates a female animal. That is why these nouns have been categorized or have been kept in what in the feminine gender. Okay, these are the examples of feminine gender. Got it? Very good. Kindly write it down. The next type, what is the next type? The next type is what? The common gender. Common gender. Okay, common gender, how we will define it? So, my dear students, now we have common gender. What do you know about the common gender? Common gender is what? A noun that indicates either of male or female animal. A noun that indicates either of male or female animal is known as, or you can say also is said to be, is, whatever seems easy to you, you can write, is said to be in common gender. Okay, got it? Now the next you have to write is another type, but before going to start the another one, let me give a few examples of this common gender. A noun that indicates either a male or the female animal, like, for example, we can take like the student. Student indicates also male and the female. This noun is used for both male or the female. If I say some students are coming to my class, it doesn't indicate like the students are whether male or the female. So we can use for both the single word, that is what the noun students. Similarly, if I say I have an appointment with a doctor, I have an appointment with a doctor, then will you get an idea whether the doctor is male or the female? Not at all. So why you will not get whether the doctor is male or the female? Because the doctor word, which is a noun, is what? Common gender. Example of common gender. For the male doctor and for the female doctor, we use a common gender which is known as what? A common noun is doctor. Similarly, if I say you teacher, so teacher will come today and my teacher will come today. Okay, this is the sentence example. Now let me know whether your teacher is male or female. You cannot decide until and unless the next pronoun is used in the sentence. If I say she will come in the evening, then you will get idea like your teacher is what, the female. Otherwise, if I say only teacher, it means here it is what, teacher is a noun word that indicates what, the common gender. So these are the examples of common gender. It is what, student, it is what, doctor, and here is what, teacher, etc. Okay, so these are the example of common gender. Kindly write it down. The next I am going to start over here, and the last type is what? What is the next type? The last type of this topic is what? Neuter gender. Neuter gender. Neuter gender. What is the definition of neuter gender? A noun that denotes a thing that is a noun that indicates a noun that denotes a thing that is neither male animal, neither male or female. That means if the noun is not a male, neither the male nor the female, then definitely it will be what? It is talking about a thing without life. A thing without life. Or lifeless thing also you can say. A thing without life. Without life. Okay? That is neither male or female. A noun that indicates or that denotes a thing that is neither male nor female is said to be of neuter gender. Neuter, N-E-U-T-E-R. Neuter. N-E-U-T-E-R. Neuter gender. It means here, this definition wants to say that a noun should be either male or female. But if you are getting none of them, suppose that I have a chalk. What is the gender of this chalk? Chalk is neither male nor female. Okay? Not it is what? It is also not example of the common gender. So what is this? This is a non-living thing. This is my sari. It is also what? Non-living things. This is what? Curtain. Curtain is also non-living thing. It has no any gender. It is neither male nor the female nor the common gender. Okay? Similarly, I have so many things. You can check so many things. Here is the green board. It is also example of what? The non-living things. So, this type of things or those nouns which are lifeless thing or those nouns which have no life. If the nouns are non-living, then we call them example of neuter gender. What is? For example, once again, I want to give you few more example. Like I have this aspects. This aspects is also non-living. That is why it is also example of neuter gender. Similarly, I have this bangle. Bangle is living or non-living. It is of course non-living. That is why also example of what? Neuter gender. So in example, you can write so many things. You can write here book also. Okay, book is also, and what other things you can write here? You can write here so many things. Bangles you can write here. Your pen you can write here. You can write here notebook also. Notebook also. You can write here watch also. Watch also. Whatever you are able to see and it seems to you that the object is, the thing is non-living, you can keep those nouns which have no life in this category, and this category is what? Neuter gender. So this was all about today's class, my dear students. So at the end, I want to give you some work of today's class. Okay, just see. My dear students, kindly write down your homework. This is your homework. Here is what? Again, your question is given, fill in the blanks. Okay? Fill in the blanks. Moving suitable gender. Okay? So first I have written here husband. Here I will write what? The masculine gender. Masculine gender. And in right hand side I am going to write here what? The, you know very well, that is what? The feminine gender. Okay? Feminine gender. So first question, I am going to give you what? Husband. You know husband? Husband. First I have written here, then I will give one dash